Hey everyone, Ushma this side and welcome back to Be10x channel. Did you know the artificial intelligence is now being used to generate content for YouTube videos, blogs and even news articles? It's true, but here's the thing, not all AI output are created equally. In today's video, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of AI, specifically how to supercharge your creative workflow with better AI outputs. We have all seen the amazing thing large language models like ChatGPT can do. But did you know the secret sauce lies in something called prompt engineering? Before starting the video, if you are interested in AI learning tools and want to fasten your career growth in just 3 hours, then there is a workshop in AI tools which is designed to save your job and make you irreplaceable in the industry. We will talk more about in later part of this video. Let's get back to the tutorial. Now,
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you a packet of chips. But what if I tell you 9 rupees can save your job? What if I tell you 9 rupees can get you salary hike? What if I tell you 9 rupees can build your career in better way? Sounds too good to be true, right?
before we dive into the nitty-gritty of fine-tuning prompts, let's take a moment to understand why this step is crucial. Many content creators struggle to get the AI output they desire, and often the problem lies within the prompt itself. A poorly constructed or a vague prompt can lead to misleading or irrelevant content, but fear not, because we are here to guide you through the process of perfecting your prompts and unlocking the true potential of AI. For that, are you the one who wants to fasten your task or wish to complete your task ahead of a schedule? So there is a wonderful opportunity which is in front of you with only rupees 9, making PPT in just 10 seconds and do any kind of IT work under 10 minutes. You can also become one person of Excel users who can use the function as well as your 90% of time on daily basis. You can become highly paid prompt engineer and no prior knowledge is required. You can also save up to 2 hours every day. You can hike your salary up to 3x by joining 3-hour workshop. Link is in description, and as I know, AI won't replace you, but a person using AI will. Come back to the section and understand with examples. Let's start by exploring a few examples of how a poorly crafted prompt can yield less than satisfactory result. Imagine you want AI to generate a video about baking a cake. You input a prompt like how to bake a cake. Sounds straightforward, right? Well, the AI might come up with a confusion, and it's confirming the type of audience, whether it is homemade, baking enthusiastic or foodies, and which type of cake a receptor wants, for which platform, whether it is for YouTube, or it is for Instagram. This is a classic case of a wrong prompt leading to an unexpected and off-topic output. To avoid such pitfalls, it's crucial to be specific and provide detailed instructions in your prompt. If we talk about a specific language, speaking of specifics, using clear and precise language is a key to getting the desired AI output. Instead of asking a broad question like, write a letter for me in ChatGPT. Let's try this example. As AI itself saying that to provide you with a letter, it needs more details about the context, purpose, and any specific content you would like to include in the letter. From this, we do understand. Instead, write a letter asking the manager for sick leave of 3 days in a professional format in 150 words. Correct? Where as you have given the task that letter should be for sick leave for 3 days. Moreover, you have also given the format that letter should be in professional tone, and you also have given 150 words is the limit. And here's the clear result with limited words as mentioned in the prompt. Providing specific instructions, you direct the AI towards the exact content you want. Remember, AI is powerful, but it needs guidance. To get the most relevant AI outputs, it's essential to provide context and include relevant keywords in your prompt. Do remember 6 golden structure for prompting. First, content. Second, task. Third, example. Fourth, personal. Fifth, format and tone. Even with the power of AI, there is still room for human touch. After you receive the generated content, take the time to review, edit and refine it. Consider adding your unique insights and personal touch to make the content truly shine. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, but it's a combination of human creativity and AI assistance that can provide and produce exceptional results. Now that explored the art of fine-tuning prompts, it's time for your action step. I want you to take a look at your upcoming content ideas and spend some extra time crafting the perfect prompts for AI assistance. Experiment, refine, and see how it affects the quality and relevance of the generated content. And while you are at it, do not forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your fellows creators who want to benefit from these tips. Remember, the power is in your hand, so go ahead, embrace the world of AI assistance and elevate your content to new heights. This was Ushma signing off. Until next time, thanks for watching and keep creating, keep fine-tuning your prompts.